In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relist ended items on eBay. Whether you've been selling on eBay for years or you're just getting started, learning how to manage your listings efficiently can make all the difference in optimizing sales and maintaining a successful online store. Sometimes your items might end without selling, and relisting can give them another chance to catch potential buyers' attention. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to sign into your eBay account. Head over to eBay's main website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, we can begin the process of relisting your ended listings. Next, take your cursor to hover over the My eBay section. You'll find this on the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear presenting a few options for managing your account. From this menu, you'll click on Selling. This will take you to the selling section of your eBay account, which houses all the tools you need to manage your sales, both current and past. In the selling section, look for the listings category. Underneath this heading, there will be an option labeled Unsold. Click on it. This is where you can view all the items that have ended without selling. These could be items that expired naturally or ones that you ended manually for various reasons. You'll find a comprehensive list of such items, making it easy to see what you might want to give another go. When you're in the unsold listings, you'll need to decide which items you wish to relist. Next to each item, there will be a checkbox. Simply click the checkbox next to the item or items you wish to relist. You can select multiple items here if you want to relist more than one at a time. Now that you've selected the items you want to relist, look for the relist button. It's generally located either at the top or bottom of your item list. Clicking this button will take you to the listing editor. Here you have the opportunity to tweak some details of your listings. Sometimes making adjustments can boost the appeal of your items. Look at the price, quantity, and duration of the listing. Consider whether your shipping options are competitive, and if there are any adjustments you'd like to make to enhance the attractiveness of your items. Maybe the listing title or description needs a refresh to draw more attention from potential buyers. Once you've made all the necessary modifications, it's time to confirm everything looks good. Double check your edits to ensure accuracy, and then click Submit. This will relist your items on the eBay marketplace, giving them a fresh start and another chance for successful sales. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively relist unsold items on eBay. A task as simple as relisting can sometimes lead to those winning bids you've been waiting for, and with these steps, you're well equipped to take full advantage of every selling opportunity. Happy selling!